Welcome to the Portfolio Platform, or as it's being commonly referred to in the investment world, TPP. If you've got this far, you're only a few clicks away from becoming part of a more transparent, cost-effective, modern way of investing. What we have done is develop a software that can auto-trade your account for you. What this means is that you, the investor, can look through a number of professional trading teams we have on our platform, select the team or multiple teams that you like, and simply connect your account to theirs, and it will automatically trade for you. Every trade they do, you will do. You don't have to do anything else. So if we see from our homepage here, if I go down to Browse Strategies, what I'd like to do is just show you a couple of strategies and how to read them. So here, let's scroll down. We see various different strategies. We have equity buy and sell. We have a quality stock. So some are single stocks, some are futures, various different things. Here we have an S&P buy and sell strategy. If I click on here, I'll show you how to read the information once you've found something that you like the look of. So here, first of all, let's have a very quick look at performance. So here we can see, so globally stocks dropped February and March, they dropped over 30%. Very little impact on this trader. And in fact, up 15.8% on the year. But look at that, 98.1% last year. Win months, 95.2%. Very, very solid performer. Max drawdown, that's top to bottom, 6.3%. That's a very, very low risk strategy with a very, very high reward. If we go down here, we can see a description. This is one of the strategies by the Portfolio Consultancy. Over 20 years in the market. And here we see a few comments from the designer about the strategy itself. Go back to trade record, you can see some of the trades as they happened. You can't see open trades, you can only see those once you've subscribed. What you can see are the closed trades shown there. So in order to subscribe, all you'd have to do is you click here on subscribe at the top. That will take you through to the next page. Then once subscribed, you just have the option to link your account. You can link more than one trading team to your account. You can have multiple. It's entirely up to you. So take out 5 minutes of your day, log in, register on the platform, go through a few of the different traders and see for yourself. They really are incredible. This is very much a modern way of investing, and we hope that you like it as much as we do. Thank you very much.